It's a lie detector app which I have made today on code.org using basic features of App Lab, and I am going to test it on my nephew who is 5 years old. Let's see whether I will be able to prank him successfully or not using the app I have developed. Okay, so before testing it on my nephew, I would like to show you how this lie detector test works on mobile. So right now currently I am accessing this app on two different mobiles. This one is an iPhone and this one is an Android phone. Okay, and this is a first screen. Fine, now here I'm going to access the admin panel. How can I access the admin panel? I just have to tap on this, and then again when I will tap on this, I'm going to come on this admin panel. Fine, with this admin panel I am going to control the output which is going to get reflected on this mobile phone. Okay, so this where I have to go, instead of hitting this image, I need to hit this start button. Okay, and the user is going to come across this beautiful screen. Fine, now here what I have to do, I need to ask the user to scan his finger, to put his finger on this fingerprint kind of image. And when he will put his finger on this image, what is going to happen?
Don't remove your finger till the scan is complete.
Okay, so this is what he will get to see. Fine, analyzing, then checking your temperature, heartbeat will be checked, and finally vibrations. At this point of time, if I will hit this lie button, let's see what's gonna happen here. So this is what I am going to come across. The user is going to come across this screen. You lie. Similarly, let's hit this OK. Got it. Fine. Now instead of hitting this red button, I am going to hit this green button now. Fine. Now first of all, I am going to scan my finger.
Don't remove your finger till the scan is complete.
Okay, so this vibration sound which you are hearing, it is coming from the phone. Fine. Analyzing now your temperature, then this vibration is here. Now we can hit this green button and let's see what is going to happen over here on this user's mobile phone.
You tell the truth. You tell the
Fine,
truth.
so this time it is you tell the truth. So that's how you can control this user's mobile app with the admin panel. Daksh, इधर यार. I have to ask from you some questions.
हाँ बताओ.
तो मैंने एक ऐप बनाया है, ठीक है. अब उससे पता चल जाएगा कि आप सही जवाब दे रहे हो या गलत जवाब दे रहे हो, ठीक है. तो ये वो ऐप है, देख रहे हो आप, ये रहा वो ऐप. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, आप इसके ऊपर टैप करिए. जस्ट टैप ऑन इट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन ऑफ दिस ऐप एंड जस्ट टैप ऑन इट, ठीक है. नाउ अच्छा, यू नो अबाउट दिस, ठीक है. अब व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, मैं आई विल आस्क फ्रॉम यू सम क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है. और उससे पहले आपको सबसे पहले अपनी फिंगर स्कैन करनी है. इसके ऊपर करिए. आज आपने नाश्ता करा था?
पराठा.
सच सच बता रहे हो आप? लगाए रखिएगा उंगली मत हटाइएगा. देखते हैं क्या जवाब आता है बेटा, कि आपने नाश्ता करा था आज या नहीं करा था. दिखाइए जरा. ओ, इसमें तो लिखा रहा है बेटा यू लाइड.
यार कला है, व्हाइट कला है.
लेकिन
ये झूठ बोल रहा, मैंने कला है.
करा है आपने?
असली
चलो ठीक
में.
है, कोई बात नहीं. एक क्वेश्चन और पूछते हैं आपसे. बैठिए आप, बैठिए. तो बेटा आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपने आपके क्या पूछे दक्ष से, आपके पास टोटल मिला के अभी कितने टॉयज हैं?
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 है मेरे.
4 टॉयज हैं. अब आप स्कैन करो अपनी फिंगर और मैं आप पता लगाऊंगा कि आप सच बोल रहे हो या झूठ बोल रहे हो, ठीक है. पता लग जाएगा. और ये भी पता लग जाएगा कि ये ऐप सही से काम कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा. लगाइए फिंगर अपनी, स्कैन होने दीजिए फिंगर अपनी.
scan is complete.
डोंट रिमूव योर फिंगर, ओके। अभी रुकिए, ठीक है। अभी टेम्परेचर, हार्ट बीट, वाइब्रेशंस देखते हैं सही आप काम कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे। देखिए दक्ष, इस पे लिखा हुआ आ रहा है स्कैन सक्सेसफुली, यू टेल द ट्रुथ। आपने सच बोला है, देखो लिखा हो रहा है इस पे। इसका मतलब ऐप सही से काम कर रहा है, मान रहे हो आप?
Yes.
चलो ठीक है, अब आपसे हम लोग पूछते हैं नया क्वेश्चन। अब आपने खुद ये बात कही है कि ऐप बिल्कुल सही से काम कर रहा है, ठीक है। अब हम आपसे नया क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, तो मतलब जो ये ऐप कहेगा अब आप उस चीज़ को मान लोगे ना? अच्छा, आज सुबह सुबह आपने कॉफ़ी पी थी या मिल्क पिया था? दूध पिया था या कॉफ़ी पी थी? क्या पिया था? पहले बताओ, पहले मुझे बताओ, इधर इधर देखो। पक्का मिल्क पिया था? चलो ठीक है, करो स्कैन अपनी फिंगर कर लो, थंब कर लो, इट्स योर चॉइस।
Don't remove your finger till the scan is complete.
बेटा इस पे तो लिखा आ रहा है यू लाइट,
करा था।
लेकिन इस पे तो, अरे यार हम प्रैंक बना रहे हैं, ये प्रैंक। Now it's time to show you how can we use this app on two different browsers on a single device. Okay, so now you can assume it as if it is a first device and this one is a second device. Fine, and now I'm going to access the admins panel on this one and a users panel on this one. How can I access the admins panel? I just have to hit this button and then there the screen on which I'm going to come across, there are two image buttons, or you can say two label boxes I have defined over here. So one is this and the second one is this. This one is going to redirect me to the admins panel, and if I will hit this start button, it will redirect me on this users panel. Now as soon as I will bring this cursor which you're seeing on this screen on this fingerprint kind of image, let's see what's gonna happen. So automatically,
Don't remove your finger till the scan is complete.
Automatically this scan kind of thing and this heartbeat kind of thing will be visible to the user. Okay, and once the user reaches here checking vibrations, they can come on this admins panel and hit this green button over here. Okay, and whatever changes you're going to see on this users panel, they are going to be the real time changes. Okay, they are the real time changes. See,
You tell the truth.
so as you can see, this green light is there and we are able to see this scan successfully screen also. You tell the truth. Okay, now let's hit this okay got it button. So again, this is a way, you know, a user can reset this app. Similarly, if now suppose the user again brings his finger on this image, so
Don't remove your finger till the scan is complete.
this thing is again going to happen. Now this time if the user would like to show him the live screen, what he can do, he can hit this red button. Let's see what is going to happen. So as you
You
can
lied.
see,
You lied.
this time it reflected you lied. Okay, and this here right now this red light we are able to see on this user's panel. So you know that's how this app works, and you can prank anyone with the help of this app. Now let's check out the coding which we have defined on the workspace on code.org for making this app. So this is the first screen user is going to come across. All these elements are hidden by default because I don't want the user to see them initially. Fine. Now when the user will hit this what we call image, is going to get redirected on this screen too. So I have made use of set screen block for doing the same. Now here there are two you can say label boxes which I have defined. One is this and the second one is this. So when the user will hit this admin named label box, he's going to get redirected on this not on this, on this beautiful admin screen. And if he will hit if he hits this start button over here, automatically he's going to get redirected on screen 3, which is the users panel. Fine, now there is a button over here with ID green, and this one is with ID red. I have defined on this admins panel. Now what will happen when the admin will hit this red button? Automatically a table like structure is going to get created on the data browser connected to this app, and at the same time this whole code is also will be fired by this platform, because of which this image which you're seeing on this users panel, fine, for this the image will be set. Okay, so if it is this button, this green button which the user will click, so what is going to happen in this image? Let me just show it to you. In this image we will be able to see green thing, and this green light is also going to appear, and it will appear just because of this line of code which I have defined over here. Okay, and why the red light? It's because of this code which I have defined over here inside this if loop. So if this condition will be satisfied, then the red light will appear, otherwise the green light is going to appear. Okay, now how I am, you must have seen those messages analyzing your blood pressure, checking your temperature. It's because of this timed loop and set timeout block which I have made use of. Okay, if you had seen my lecture, there is one of the lecture on my YouTube channel which I have shooted, in which I've explained how can we make use of this set timeout feature and timed loop feature. So if you have seen it, you must be knowing about all these things. Okay, now just because of these, the text constantly changes. Fine, this is the code which I have made use of for changing the lines, the yellow lines which get reflected on the users panel. Now let's come on. Okay, so the code which I have defined for this green button, the same code I have defined for this red button also. Again, a table named result is going to get created, in which two things, result and light, is going to get saved, on the basis of which this whole code is going to get executed, and we will be able to see the final result on the users panel. Okay, so this is the whole code I have made use of. Now finally, when the user will hit this result button to reset the app, all the things which were initially hidden will go disappear again, and the things which were which were previously visible to the user, initially visible to the user, they will be visible again. So this is the whole code which is going to get executed by this platform when the user will hit this result button. Fine, now there is the code which I have defined for this image 1 for redirecting the user on this screen 2. This is image 1 which you are seeing over here. And where is that admin image? Let's see that also. So this is the admin image which is going to redirect the user to this admin's panel. Fine, screen 4. So this is a code which I have made use of for redirecting the user on the admin's panel. And for the start button, which is redirecting the user to the users panel, this is the code I have made use of. Okay, so this is the whole code I have made use of for developing this beautiful app. Hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share the link of this app in your group so that more and more students can come and join my channel and learn this coding free of cost. Fine, so thank you very much and God bless you. Have a great day. Bye bye.